Okay, now I've sewed down, I have one flat panel. I've sewed on this piece to cover up that crotch area that we cut out. And I've sewn also the sides just to keep it laying flat and to make sure that these side seams show. So I wanted those to show. So I just sewed a seam right down the side here. And I've sewed in the hanger to secure that really well. And you can see when you pull on it, it's not going anywhere. Now it's time to lay our pockets out and design our organizer. So I've collected quite a few pockets from different recycling jobs that I've done. And you just lay them out, cut out pockets that interest you. Here's one, Old Navy. Cut out these cargo pants pockets are great for longer things like pencils and hairbrushes. And you want to cut them out and leave a little bit of fabric around each one so that you can sew them on. You can sew along the heavy the stitching already, but if your machine can't handle that, you want to make sure that you leave enough space around it so that you can sew that on. Okay, and just put them around and decide where you want to place them. Now, one nice way of doing to really get a lot of pockets is not to just lay them each separately, but to do some overlapping. So I have some similar pockets here, and I'm going to put 3 in a row. Just fold down the edge, and before we sew it on, we'll secure that. We'll sew that first, sew the flap down. So I've layered these pockets. There's 1, 2, 3, and that'll give you a lot of storage and organization space. You can use the buttons from a button fly. You can place that somewhere to hang keys or anything on a string. You could hang on those. And once you have your pockets laid out and you decide where you want to put them, then we're going to start preparing them to sew down. We'll be sewing down this piece, and we'll just top sew it all around the edge. And you can add a little bit of reinforcement stitches around the pocket like this. And again, around the pocket like this. For these pockets, the single pockets that we're going to use, you want to just sew down the flap. And then when we sew it onto the pants, we'll be sewing around like that, or you can sew on top of the original stitching if your machine can handle it. So you want to trim up the edges and leave enough to be able to sew with. You may want to sew with a zipper foot so that you can get really nice and close to the edge. You can also, after you sew it, you can trim off a lot of the edges.